if the coefficient of a raised to 7, b raised to 8 in the multinomial expansion of a plus 2b plus 4ab raised to 10 is k into 2 raised to 16, then we have to find the value of k. Now, the most common method of solving this problem is to use general multinomial theorem. However, one simple trick and you can solve this problem within few seconds, right? Here, instead of using that general multinomial theorem, what we can do is, we need coefficient of a raised to 7 and b raised to 8. So from these three terms, we can take AB common, right? If you take AB, we need coefficient of a raised to 8, b raised to 7 in this one. Now just take AB common from here. And then we have, if you take a common from AB, you will get 1 by b. Similarly, if you take a common from this one, AB common from the second term, you will get 2 by a and plus 4 and this raised to 10. So that means we need coefficient of a raised to 7, b raised to 8 in, and now a raised to 10, b raised to 10, and this multiplied by, we have 2 by a plus 1 by b plus 4, this raised to 10. Now in the next step, you can see what we have to do. If I need a raised to 7 and we already have a raised to 10, so that means in this one we need 1 by a cube, right? 1 by a cube multiplied with a raised to 10 will give us a raised to 7. And similarly, if I need b raised to 8 and we already have b raised to 10, so in this expansion we need 1 by b square. So basically in the next line you can write that we need coefficient of 1 by a cube and coefficient of 1 by a cube into 1 by b square, because we have to create b raised to 8. We already got b raised to 10 here. So in this multinomial, we need 1 by b square. Similarly, we need a raised to 7. We already got a raised to 10. So in this multinomial, we need multinomial expansion of this one, we need 1 by a cube. So that means we need coefficient of 1 by a cube into 1 by b square in the expansion of 2 by a plus 1 by b plus 4, this raised to 10. And now think of 1 by a as alpha, 1 by b as beta. So basically the problem is we need coefficient of alpha cube beta square in 2 alpha plus beta plus 4, this raised to 10. And now you can very easily see what should be that coefficient. We have to distribute this exponent among these three terms. And if I need alpha cube, the exponent of this one must be 3. Right? If I need alpha cube, then exponent of 2 alpha must be 3. Similarly, if I need beta square, then exponent of beta, this must be 2. And total we have 10. If exponent of these two terms are 3 and 2, then exponent of 4 must be 5. Right? So now it is given that coefficient of this term is k into 2 raised to 16. And from here you can see that coefficient of that particular term, that will be 10 factorial. And this divided by 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 factorial. And then 2 alpha raised to 3 alpha cube, coefficient part will be 2 cube. Similarly, beta square, so coefficient will be 1 square, which is 1, and then 4 raised to 5. And this thing is given as k into 2 raised to 16. And now all we have to do is we need to simplify this one, and from there we have to find the value of k. So you can do the calculation part on your own. Once you simplify this one, after calculation, you will get k as 315. Calculation is not difficult to do. 10 factorial you can write as 10, 9, 8. 5 factorial you can cancel. And then rest of the calculation you can perform. Also, this will become 2 raised to 13. Right. So from there, finally, you will get k as 315. So the correct answer for this problem will be, we needed value of k. Value of k is 315. So you can see that one simple trick, just take AB common from here, and then how easily we can directly solve this problem. Right. Obviously, we need to know multinomial theorem for that one, but now you can directly see what should be exponent of these three terms, alpha, beta, and the constant term. Right, because once you take this one common, and if I need a raised to 7 We got a raised to 10 here, so that means we need 1 by a cube. Similarly, 1 by b square. So we need to distribute this exponent in this manner, 3, 2, and 5. So finally, after calculation, you will get k as 315, and that is the correct answer for this problem.